Hi everyone, it's Queen B. In this video I'll show you how to open your motorcycle headlight bulb. So like this video if it's help, and subscribe to see more like this DIY guides. So let us start. Before we start, make sure to take screenshot on your way opening anything. So that way if you later forget which part to put where, this will help. Also try not to force anything to open. If anything seems jammed, try lubricating beforehand. As you see, I got this R15 V2. If you have a different one, the process should be similar. Let's start by removing this left side panel. This panel has 3 screws and a hook connected underneath it. There's the back of headlight, and we need to remove this connector. Just pull it out. Now pull this cap to remove it as well. Now we can see the head bulb clearly, just one step away from removing it completely. Remove this pin like this. And the head bulb is free to be removed. Now do the same step to open the right side one if you have one. Now to put everything in its place, just do all the previous steps in reverse. Hope this helps, and like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.